Hey, Mama Duck. Where the babies? Hey, Mama Duck. Where the babies? There the babies. They're not babies anymore. They're not babies anymore. Look at how big they are. Look, I got two with a black head for some reason. I got one that's still white. And look at this one right here. I don't know what that one's going to be. He don't know what color he wants to be. There's Maverick. That's Maverick right there. That's my boy. See how much bigger the boys are than the girls? Look at the size of the feet. Look at the size of the feet. Big babies. Here comes another one. Here comes two more. Come here, duck, 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 duck. Come here, duck, 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 duck. Look how big you are, Maverick. How big is your mama? How big is your mama? Oh, I'm nipping at the toes. Oh, that tickles. That hurts. I ain't got this cute little small bills no more. Get those two. Big ducks. Big ducks. They're gonna eat me alive. They're gonna eat me alive. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, Mama. Come here, fella. What you doing over there, fella? Look at this. I don't know what color you're gonna be. Ow. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Now, who will let me pet you? Hey, Maverick, you let me pet you. Yeah. Oh, I like it when y'all let me pet you. I don't want y'all to turn wild on me. Oh, look at that. Some pretty blue eyes. Seiko scared me. There's a Seiko here in the way. Seiko come up behind me and scared me. Oh my goodness. Go. Go, Seiko. What'd you do, Mama? You picking out your own kid? Let's go to the water. Go, Seiko. Seiko, get out of the way. She's gonna get you, dog. She don't want y'all around. Yeah, mean Mama Duck. They're my sweet babies. They're my sweet babies. Yes, they are. They're my sweet babies. I want to keep a boy and a girl. Those pretty blue eyes. Pretty blue eyes. Seiko, don't bite me. Seiko's ever trying to bite me. She's trying to nibble on me. Give me a love nip. Go away, Seiko. Go away. Go away. Get out of my way. Bullet, get away from her feet. What, Seiko? You want to be on the... You want to be on the computer? Bullet. Go ahead. Show me your arse. Alright, what's the duck duck? We like the duck duck. Hey, pretty duck duck. Pretty duck duck. Pretty, 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 pretty. You're so pretty. You're so soft. Alright, Mama, so I give you a piece of bread. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Ducks are letting me pet them better than they were. Yesterday they wouldn't hardly let me touch them. Alright, give you a piece of bread. Let me pet you, I'll give you a piece of bread. Right. What color you gonna be? That's got to be a boy. Well, I better get to work. Bullet, why are you digging a hole right there? Alright, there goes all the bread. There goes all the bread. That one's actually got some green in its feathers. Green feathers. That one's got green too. Bullet, stop digging. Hey, pretty baby. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. You want to stay here with your mama? There's another sweetie. Of course, we got the dogs in the way. Dogs are right here digging a hole. I don't know where Bullet's trying to dig to. Where are you trying to dig to, Bullet? Alright, Ducks, got your water turned on. You're trying to go after Mama. Jackie's too close to her. What are you digging for, Bullet? Oh, he dug up a stick. Oh boy, he dug up a stick. He's probably gonna take that in the house. Ooh, is Daddy coming? Wanna come out the door? Yeah, there's Daddy coming. There's Daddy coming. Alright, Ducks, let Mama go back to work. We'll see y'all guys later.